I don't really look at working with Penta as just a job. I look at it as my career, and it's really satisfying to kind of have that feeling when you're just starting out your career as a new hire, as being here for a month.
To work at Penta means to be proud, to take pride in your work. I take pride in wearing my shirt and telling people, you know, I work at Penta. You know, it's a respected company in the community. People know that we're an outstanding company to work for. We treat everybody fair, and owners want to work with us. It's due to how we do business. I take a lot of great pride in working for Penta.
I love working in Penta. It's so much fun. I love their culture. I love their project management. I love the people I work with. I'm very happy. They care about not only your performance, but also your health and family. They do a lot of activities that involve family and fun.
Penta's culture is extremely unique in the sense that we do have strong resources. We can do very large projects and do very large projects all the time, but we're a relatively small company. We're not a massive corporate bureaucratic machine. Everybody knows everybody's name. You can reach out and talk to people if you have questions. You're not just a face in the crowd by any means, but we have similar strength and resources to do the big projects like the bigger contractors do.
You really see your presidents and the principals, I mean your senior VPs, as more of a personable, approachable level. I work well with most people, but when it comes to your higher senior managers that control your destiny, you tend to kind of stray away from them, and that's not the case anymore. I mean, I walk up to my VP every day, and I play soccer with them and talk with them on a more personal level than just work, which is really what Penta's about, is a really good balance between work and personal life.
With Penta, the opportunities are endless. The sky's the limit with Penta. If you want to put everything in your heart and soul into the projects and heart and soul into the job, you're going to get out of it what you put into it. It's a really, really unique company in the fact that we love to build that culture within our employee base, and everybody just moves up from within, and it's great.
Penta understands that we are just a bunch of people. That's all we are, and they do more than I've ever seen elsewhere in terms of developing their employees, trying to give them opportunities to get experience, to join organizations outside of Penta, industry or charity or those sorts of things. And it's all about developing the people, because as the people develop and gain experience and become better at what they do, then ultimately the entire culture and quality of the company improves as well, and they get that 100%.
Penta has pushed me to be a better person by allowing me to succeed. They've given me the tools and opportunities to grow my career and to allow me to just shine in every aspect. They've never once said that I couldn't do something, and have always given me opportunities throughout my career.
They're more like family than coworkers. You work hard to not disappoint the people around you, more so than trying to show that you're special more than anything.
Penta never tells you which path you're going to take. It's definitely your opportunity to grow into the path you want to pursue, but at the same time change career paths halfway through if you decide you want experience in a different area. And I really think that's great in developing as just an overall construction professional.
We all have a lot of stuff in common together here, so it makes working together that much easier. I mean, we don't have conflicts between the project managers and the superintendents and the engineers like a lot of other companies do, because we can communicate and we understand how to make sure that we can resolve issues right away without them festering up and becoming a big issue later on down the road.
We are an advantage because we work across a very diverse types of projects, meaning that we do healthcare, we do hospitality, we do educational, and so you have an opportunity at Penta to work on all different types of projects.
I think the appeal to them is the fast-paced work schedule, as well as the high-end finishes that you tend to see here a lot in Las Vegas. I think is an appeal to them. and they want to be part of that.
We design our interview process to really make sure that it's a fit for our potential employees and our company. It typically is an entire day, no matter what your position is. So if you're interviewing for accounting or you're interviewing for project engineering, you're going to go out on a project site, you're going to see what we do, you're going to meet the teams. And it's as much them figuring out if they'll fit with us as it is us with them. One thing I find too is on the surface, Penta looks like this super fun company. We're all really laid back. But helping them understand that first day that fun is balanced with that challenge, that we're all fun, but we push ourselves to be the very best.
You don't realize it, I guess, when you're working here, how well you have it. But it's very nice to be able to be around people that you don't know and them talking about how good this company is and how they like to be here. So to me, I'm very proud to work here and honored that I'm able to work here.